Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Ethereum from Robinhood to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process straightforward and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have an Ethereum balance in your Robinhood wallet and a Binance account ready to receive it. Always double-check that you're using the correct network, Ethereum's mainnet, to avoid any transfer issues. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and select the Ethereum you want to transfer. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer assets. Click on that. Next, in the withdrawal section, choose cryptocurrency as your method. Robinhood will prompt you to enter a wallet address. Now, switch to your Binance account. Go to your Binance wallet, select Ethereum, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on Robinhood, paste the Binance address into the field. You'll need to specify the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Don't forget to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once the transaction is initiated. After that, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network traffic. Once it arrives in Binance, you can start trading or holding it there. Remember, security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.